What's up, people? The dead zone here, and I'm about to check out this abandoned building in New Mexico. Just passing through on the highway and I saw it, so I stopped and decided to check it out real quick. Look at this. Look at that. This looks like it could have been like a shower, or actually, yeah, it was. There's a toilet, restroom. Look at this graffiti, recently done. Look at that, it says COVID-20. So obviously people have been here recently in the past few months. Pretty dope graffiti. Look at that, 2020. Here's the little bay they use here to repair vehicles. So obviously this was a repair shop, and now it's all just broken apart, cinder blocks, and there must have been a fire here because the roof is all gone right here in this part of the building. Alright, well, thank you for watching this episode. Dead Zone is out. See ya.